All right, let's talk about a term you're hearing absolutely everywhere these days: artificial intelligence, or AI. Now, I know it might sound like something straight out of a sci fi movie, but this isn't some far off futuristic concept anymore. It's here, right now, and it's already shaping our world in ways you might not even realize. So let's pull back the curtain and demystify it together. Okay, so let me ask you something right off the bat.
Do you realize you're using AI every single day?
I'm going to bet the answer is a big yes. See, it's not just about walking, talking robots and supercomputers. It's actually woven, kind of quietly, into the fabric of our digital lives. Just think about it for a second. When you ask Siri or Alexa for the weather, or when Netflix just knows what movie you'll love, or how about when Google Maps magically finds a shortcut to get you out of a traffic jam? That's all AI working behind the scenes. Every single one of those is an intelligent service powered by algorithms that are designed to understand, predict, and, well, help us out. So we see what AI does, for sure. But what is it really? Let's get down to the core of what we're actually talking about here. Okay, so here's the textbook definition. At its heart, AI is the simulation of human intelligence in machines. The key words there are the abilities we're trying to copy: learning, reasoning, and making decisions. It's really all about building systems that can do things that, until now, have required a human brain. Or, to put it super simply, you could just say AI is the science of teaching machines to think. Now, we're not talking about creating consciousness or feelings or anything like that. It's more about giving them the ability to process just massive amounts of information and then act on it in a smart way. And that ability, the power to learn and reason, wow, it holds some incredible promise. Let's take a look at the powerful upsides AI is already bringing to the table. For starters, AI is a beast when it comes to automation. It can take over all those repetitive, boring tasks, which frees us humans up for more creative and strategic work. It also seriously supercharges our own decision-making. I mean, it can analyze huge sets of data, way faster than any person could, to find patterns and insights we would have totally missed. And, like we just talked about, it's the engine that makes all those intelligent products that just make our lives a little easier every day. But, and this is a big but, it's not all sunshine and roses. With this kind of power, you're going to get some pretty significant challenges. So, what's the catch? Let's dive into some of the problems we're grappling with. Okay, the big one you always hear about is job displacement. The fear that automation could make some jobs obsolete is very real. Then there's the fact that AI is incredibly data hungry. It needs huge, and I mean huge, amounts of data to learn, and that brings up some serious questions about our privacy. And here's a really critical one: bias. If the data we feed in AI has our own human biases baked into it, like from old hiring records or something, the AI will learn and even amplify those same biases. That can lead to some seriously unfair outcomes. So when you lay it all out like this, side by side, you really see the fundamental trade-offs we're dealing with. We get this incredible efficiency from automation, but we have to wrestle with the very real concern of job displacement. We can make smarter, data-driven decisions, but we run the risk of literally coding our own prejudices into the system. And we get these amazing new services, but they often come at the price of our personal data. You can see it's a really delicate balancing act. So where does that leave us? This technology isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's moving forward faster than ever. The crucial question we have to ask ourselves now is, what role are we going to play in shaping its future? I think if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's that AI is a tool. That's it. Just like fire or electricity, it's not inherently good or evil. It's just an incredibly powerful force. And its impact, whether it helps us build a better world or just creates a whole new set of problems, that depends entirely on the choices we make about how we build it and how we use it. And that right there leads us to the final, and honestly the most important question. This isn't just for tech gurus or politicians to figure out. It's for all of us. As AI gets deeper and deeper into our society, the real question is, how will we as a society choose to use this powerful tool? That's the question we all need to start thinking about. Thanks so much for joining me.